Hey everyone, Jose here from RivianTrackr today with a quick tutorial on how to enable Kneel Mode on your Rivian R1T or R1S. A while back, Rivian added this really cool feature to Rivian called Kneel Mode. And what that means is that pretty much when you enable it and you park your vehicle, the vehicle will lower itself down from whatever height you're at in order to easily get you access in and out of the vehicle. So if you struggle with getting in and out, or if you're a shorter person, whatever it may be, and you don't have, let's say, running boards or side steps, this will grant you access to be able to lower the vehicle automatically without you having to worry about going in and setting it to low or lowest setting, right? So I'm going to walk you through how to set this up. Super duper easy. This will be a really quick video, but I thought it was something important to share. So let's get started. So you join me here in the main settings screen of my Rivian. You can get to it by tapping the gear, vehicle, and then you're going to tap access. You're going to scroll down to where it says kneel vehicle upon parking. What this is going to do, it's going to lower your vehicle to low, not the lowest setting, but low. Don't ask me why. That's just how they chose to do it. And this will gain you easier access to get in and out of the vehicle. So, you know, if you're someone who doesn't have side step or running boards which assist you to get out of the vehicle, this will kneel the vehicle forward, the front part of the vehicle down, in order to be able to kind of get out of the vehicle easily. So once you enable it, which is toggling that little switch, what you'll do is, right now I'm in drive. As you can see, I'm in standard settings. I'm going to go ahead and put the vehicle in park. And you're going to see this little icon that shows the vehicle is kneeling, and you can hit this to cancel it if you need to. And now the vehicle's kneeled, and it shows you kneeled by looking at that little icon there. And when you get out of your vehicle, you'll notice that it is sitting lower. So it is sitting at a low, not the lowest, but low. Now, to get in the vehicle, once you're back in, and you put it in drive, the vehicle will automatically start raising itself as you start driving away. As you can see there, see, it's gone up to standard, and it will return back to normal. So you'll be able to easily access that setting right there, and you can easily have your vehicle kneel down, which will get you access to be able to easily get in and out of your vehicle. At any point, like I said, you can hit this button here and it will cancel kneel mode, and the vehicle will sit right back up normal. So that's it. That was kneel mode. Just wanted to share that with you because a lot of people ask, oh, I had struggle getting in and out of the vehicles. I wanted to show you that Rivian did think about this and created this cool kneel vehicle upon parking option. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you in the next one.